Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Confirm which Focusrite interface you have and that your phone/tablet supports USB audio. Next, pick the correct cable or adapter, USB-C to USB-B, Lightning to USB camera adapter, or a USB OTG adapter for older Android. Once done, plug the interface into the adapter, then connect to your mobile. Make sure the interface has power. If it needs external power, use a powered hub. Finally, open the Focusrite app or your DAW so the device can be recognized. Once connected, grant the app microphone and storage permissions so audio routes correctly. Next, set the sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz depending on your project, and select a buffer size that balances latency and stability, lower for monitoring, higher for recording stability. Make sure phantom power is off unless you use a condenser mic. If so, enable 48V. Then assign inputs in the app, arm the track, and enable direct monitoring, so you hear the signal with minimal delay. You're ready to record. Do a short test take and watch the input meters for clean signal without clipping. Adjust the Focusrite gain knobs and monitor through headphones. If you hear hiss, raise gain carefully or lower preamp noise. When finished, stop recording and save the file to internal storage or cloud. If nothing works, check that your adapter supports data, not just charging, verify OTG support on Android, ensure the interface is powered, and restart the app. That usually fixes connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.